tutorial we are going to discuss the questions. It is written on the screen, which is if x plus y equals to 82, find the maximum value of xy. So what we needed to do for the maximum value, we know we need the differentiation, then we have to consider the expression equals to 0. Before doing that, let me consider the equation xy in terms of x first. We can write it x, then x into y. If we make y as a subject, you can write the expression 82 minus x. So our expression becomes 82x minus x squared. This is our expression of the xy. For doing the maximum point, we needed to differentiate and considering that part as a 0. d by dx of 82x minus x square. Let you differentiate it and consider 0. So if we differentiate from here, we got 82 minus 2x equals to 0. So the value of x is 2x equals to 82. You can write, so x equals to 41. So now this x41 stands for the maximum value of the xy. So what is your maximum value of xy? Now we can write here maximum value of xy, which we can write as a 82 x. Instead of x, we are going to put here 41 minus 41 whole square. Then we got the answer from here. Let's use calculator for doing that. Here 82 into 41 into 41 square. Okay, we are going to use calculator. 82 into 41 minus 41 square, which gives us 1681. So 1681 is the answer of this question. Done. We have another question to show, which is like this. It is written here, find the minimum value of the sum of a positive number and its reciprocal. For while it is written as a finding the maximum value and minimum value, we have to do the same work, which is differentiation of the expression, and we would consider that expression as a 0. So here in this question, minimum value of the sum of a positive number, let me consider the positive number. Let the positive number be x. So definitely it's reciprocal. Now we can say 1 by x. So the question is minimum value of the sum. So what is your sum expression? Sum we can write as a x plus 1 by x. So for finding the minimum sum, we know we need to apply the differentiation. So let me apply differentiation. We have to do the thing ds by dx equals to 0. So d by dx means just replace the s value by x plus x to the power minus 1, because 1 by x you can write as a x to the power minus 1, then consider it 0. So if we differentiate this, then we got from here minus x to the power minus 2, which is 0. So the expression is 1 equals to 1 by x square, then x square equals to 1. So the value of x we got from here plus minus 1. So the question is positive sum of the positive minimum value, sum of the positive number and its reciprocal, sum of the positive and its reciprocal. So we definitely need to consider the positive value of x, which it is x equals to 1. So therefore we can write here minimum value of the sum equals to, which is expression is written x plus 1 by x. We're going to put here the value 1, which is 1 plus 1 by 1. It gives us 2. So this is our answer of this question. Thanks for watching with